Okay guys, so today I will show you how to do another version of modify main candle, which is bias corrected pre-whitening trend test in R. So in this modify main candle, they do a pre-whitening first, and then they do a for bias corrected the data, and then they do a trend test. So this is another version of modify man candle. So man candle, they have many type of variation. So in this case, we'll show BCPW trend test. I call it BCPW, which is a bias corrected pre-whitening trend test. Let me share the screen first. So we have shared the screen. So let's run this package, this code. This is how we run the BCPW trend test. First, you need to install the library modify man candle, and then you read your dataset. Where you put your dataset is in the working directory where you put the dataset. So this is our working directory, and then our det will be our data, which is CSDI combined order. So this is our data, which is similar with the other tutorial that I use for this different type of modify main candle test. So in this VCPW test, we use the similar dataset, which is temperature, minimum temperature for CSDI temperature, extreme temperature from 1950 to 2022. So this is monthly data. So it doesn't matter what if your data is daily, monthly, or yearly, you can use the same code. So what important is we need to read the column number 3 until the end. How many columns? So in this case, we have 28 grid point for CSDI result, extreme rainfall, extreme temperature for the state of Johor. So we read this dataset. It is a graded dataset. Everybody are working with graded dataset nowadays, So we read this dataset. So we need to change this one to encode that. So we column to analyze, we will read the column number 3, which is this is column number 3, 1, 2, 3, column number 3 until the end. All the column. We will read all the column and call that. So column to analyze. And then now we create empty data frame to store the result. So we have column. We will have the column because when we run modify main candle, and in this case we want to run BCPW function, right, for bias corrected pre-whitening trend test, they will have a column where we column number, which is our grid location, which this is grid number 3 until 28 just now, and then we have the Z value, pre-whiten sand slope, and then we also will have sand slope, P value, S value, var s, tau, and also trend level. The same thing, we will show directly from this code the trend. Is it significantly positive or significantly negative? So all we just just write this code. We have integer length, column to analyze, numeric length, column to analyze, and then numeric length, column to analyze, and so forth. Just follow this code. And then now we perform BCPW tests for each column. So for I in sequence along column to analyze, we column to analyze. The result will be by using, we run each of that column by using BCPW function in modify MK test. So it will run bias corrected pre-whitening trend test. And then the result, we will give the column for that result, column heading as column, Z value, pre-whitening sand slope, P value, S, var S, and tau. So all of this result is we get from the output from BCPW. So we get result from column 1, this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is all the result from BCPW. We extract that one. And then we determine if it positively is significantly negative or significantly positive or negative. So if result is p-value less than 0.05, so we want to have a significant value of 0.05. So the trend level will be positive or negative. If there is no significant value, it will be empty. And then we extract our result, trend BCPW for CSDI here. Let's see. So let's run this create empty dataset first. And then we perform BCPW test. So after it performed BCPW test, you see this is one is very fast. Previously I showed you that some tests take quite some time, but in this case it's quite fast for BCPW. And then we extract the result, train BCPW CSDI. So now we have our result, TT train BCPW CSDI. So this is our result. So this, you see all the result is here. We have the column from column 3 until 30 just now, which is 28 grid point. We have Z value, we have pre-whiten value. You see it is all 0 because it's very small. Z slope is very small. P value is there. S value, var, tau, and trend level. And you see there is no significant trend. So it is actually none of it significant. So we found there is no significant trend for this BCPW test. Now let's see, we try another type of data. Maybe we can try, let's see, this. I think we can try DTR. I think DTR will show some significant trend or not. So we can try by using DTR. Let's see. So we change our data set with DTR, and then we change here with DTR. Train BCPW DTR. Now we run this data set again. So let's see. Train BCPW DTR. Okay, so now we have train BCPW for DTR. So we see, you see for DTR, DTR is diurnal temperature. We have some grid point that have a significantly positive trend for grid column number 3, grid for column number 5, and this grid for 16 until 18, and also this 27 and 28. So we have 7 grid points that show positively significant trend. So you see now they have sense slope, because sense slope sometimes is pre-whiten sense slope is 0.0000, so it will sometimes show 0 just now, right? Because the value is very small, so it's not being captured. But this is all not very important when we write our paper. What important is we want to show there is a positive or negative trend. So like all this trend just now, I show you. For example, I have this result for extreme rainfalls partial assessment, like this one, right? We want to know where is positive and negative trend, something like this. So we know we can label directly is positive, this one is negative, this one is like DTR just now, some area is positive, something like that. So that is what important. The trend label, is it significantly positive or negative? So this, by using BCPW test, we found that there is 7 grid point that show positively significant trend. So you can just use this code to run the significant test by using modify main candle bias corrected pre-whitening trend test, which is BCPW. I think that's all. Thank you for watching.